Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, June the 14th, 2011. Well, a change of trend today, and previous day's trading we highlighted the spinning top type candle which created indecision in the market as the market tested support down around 1265 and the potential for it to be a harami reversal pattern, and we have confirmation of that reversal today, with the market making a higher high and a higher low. So a change of trend to the upside in the first time frame. The trend in the second time frame remains down, however, so here we have a retracement in that second time frame to the upside. We have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs in the market, and here we have now another trough. The market will be attempting to make another peak. So a continuation of that trend to the downside. Now, with the current candle, it's a very large green-bodied candle, and the green body denotes the buyers making significant net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. They've closed the market up towards the high, so they've closed the market with control, and they've shown some strong commitment to taking this market higher. However, they did lose some commitment, as we can see from the shadow on the top of this candle, where the market interacted with the Tenkan-sen at 1291 and some selling came in. So that could be significant for this market. If we look at these three candles here in this region, we can see the shadows on the top of those candles. There was solid downside price rejection each time the market tested up around that level between 1291 and 1296. Perhaps the influence of the 1300 round number is having an effect there. But there was certainly downside price rejection on 3 occasions. So that area will be very important for this market if the trend is going to continue up. Now, if we do continue up trading through there, then the round number 1300 will be significant for the market. If we have a bullish close up above there, you do have strong resistance up above. So we shouldn't get carried away with any potential bullishness that we see in this market, retracing this downswing that we had with such great momentum that tested down to 1265. Very strong resistance at the bottom of the cloud, strong resistance at 1313 at the Kijun-sen, which is trading in that region, and resistance extending all the way through the cloud to around 1340, so very strong overhead resistance. To the downside, we have potential support at 1275, then at the swing low at 1265, and no support until we trade down to 1246. So if this market falls apart again and trades below 1265, we could see significantly lower levels. Now, there's no clue that that will happen at the moment, because we did have quite a very bullish candle for this day's trading. Just a few worrying factors with this selling off when we tested around these areas. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, the market remains negative in big picture terms. We had a bearish breakout some time ago, and we're now trading back towards the equilibrium in the big picture terms offered by the cloud. In the medium term time frame, we're trading below the Kijun-sen, that's the pink line here, and we are trading a fair way below there again, so the market is looking a little bit overextended in the medium term time frame, bearish in that time frame. The Kijun-sen has turned flat, so price action is attracted back towards there when that happens, and there's a good possibility that we will be testing higher levels because of that. The Tenkan-sen, we're trading just below the Tenkan-sen, so still bearish in the fast term time frame, but very close to it, so almost neutral in that time frame. But we can see that the Tenkan-sen is still pointing down quite sharply, reflecting the downside momentum that we had in this market, but there's a little bit of a lag effect from this very strong sell-off that we had previously. So obviously for the next day's trading, the area around the high of this current candle, roughly 1292, extending up to 1300, is very important. The low down around 1271 and the previous support and resistance around 1275 and down to 1265 are important.